My name is Alfredo Castro. I will be the Learn Vision consultant for South America and North America. I have 30 years of experience in delivering leadership and sales programs for global companies, including pharma segments. It's gonna be my pleasure to work with you in one of our programs in a company that has more than 160 years. Best wishes. Thank you.